Okay, so let's create a decentralized REST app. For that, we'll be using Difinity framework or TFX new. Let's call it to do the West. We'll use REST as our language. We don't need any front end, and it will be our internet identity. That's perfect. Okay, now we need to go into to do the REST we'll open it in Helix. Let's go into Liquid Abyss. Let it configure everything. You can see. So here we'll be creating a tubular. Let's start by generating the basic functions which will require it will host for our decentralized network, and we'll create a state. On a state will contain all the to-dos, and those to-dos will be again stored inside a B-tree map. I would be using vector here because the get function the get for all the to-do would be and somehow we using a B-tree map will reduce it by login or nlogin. So that would be a bonus. We start by creating the state here. So let's create a state which holds all of our those inside a B tree map. Okay, this would a key of 32 at a value of to do. That's perfect. Now let me derive flow and create a struct to do where it can box ID of U32 and the text of string. So that's also perfect. Let me just implement it. I think we can do it here directly using Helix. There is some available here. Import to do and would create the function new, generate new. Well, and this would take an ID of U32 and a text of string will return a self, and here will return self as well with ID and text. Perfect. Unused variables. So how do we remove this allow used? You know, take that here later. What do I do? Do it here. That's what they tell me about trying to play. And on daily. No, not here. But we'll stay on really. Oh, there. Nope. On the universe. To be faded somewhere here. The baby. Here. Okay, this was it. That's how we have to do configure. Let's implement our state. Create an add function which takes vertical reference to self and accepts text as a string. Returns that will be created true. So what we'll do is start by creating an ID, or we will simply do self dot get we get last here. In how the minute I could about you can buy this I send it. Produce dot last and last key value. And that's it. Somehow with the hours. Here we need summit like this. and it would have a key enter unknown value. We'll create key plus one for the ID, and then one. We don't have an entry. Okay. Now let's create a new to-do. So that to-do is to-do near ID and the text as mentioned here. So we have this as well. Now for the tree map, we'll do self dot to-dos dot sort and sort and sort, or what is it? Like that we should come out that's one has to be so. Okay, so this is inside, and this will have a key of ID and value of to-do dot clone, right? And then we will send to the back. Perfect. Let's create a new to-do. Delete. Call it remove. And takes a mutable reference to cell. Then has an ID of U32. It returns an option to do because there is a possibility that maybe might not be there. So here what we'll do, self dot to-dos dot demo. Okay, and this would be ID. No. Reference to ID. Yeah, looks okay. Do we need an update function? Okay, let's create a get function. Get by ID LD SU32, and then we'll return an option to do because there is a chance it's not there. We don't need it mutable. This has to be self. Let's see us to self. Okay. So we have self dot get to start get by ID. Then we want it to be cloned. Perfect. So this was our local setup. Now let's go to our cargo tunnel. We don't take timers and then we need AC CTK rows, which is 0.14. This has to be 14. This has to be 14 as well. And we'll need 30 or jump words to run shirts words to Decentralized. Okay, shape this looks okay. Let's go into our lip and so let's call it did I default and candidate type. Okay, then what do we have? This will also be a candidate type and it will be deserialize. No, we need deserialize from Sardi. So here's Sardi. Here, stay realize. Okay, we'll have a thread local at the top storing our state. So we have a thread local has our state as def that colon other way with state default. They also do something like this data or and this what means that's in our state. So it's okay to he sorry. Now let's have all the queries. So let's have them. I see query and query. So this would be option that and go to take an ID of utility to put it down an option. To what we want is state our with behavior as unit because s dot id s dot then that's the function signature the area model. So this will be model dot that we pass it the ID and that should take care of everything. Similarly, we'll have an update function. So let's do an update query where we'll have add, we'll pass in text string that has to be returning true. Here we'll need a borrow or on mute and then we'll call the add function and pass in the value text. Looks okay to me. Then we'll have, what do we have next? We covered add, we need a remove. Okay, let's focus on that. So copy it. And let's call the remove method while ID 32 $1 the thing over it's a actually looks good to me. So we have all the candidate types available. This is a candidate type. This is also, I don't think we need this as a candidate type. Now let's remove this. To start. Okay. Okay, it's perfect. Let's go to our candidate file. So here we'll have to define all the kinds of functions we have and create a record type. So let's start by creating the record type. It's called to do is equals to a record. We'll have an ID which is a natural number of 32 and about text which is a text type here semicolon. What now let's have an add function which takes in a text and which is a type of text and which returns us a to do. So that's good. Then we have already row function sticks in the ID which is a mat 32 and it gives us an option of preview. So that's good. And then we have a get method sticks in an ID mat 32 gives us an option of to. So these are all our tables. We also have to mention that this one is a query and rest are functions. So that is also good. Let's do one thing. Clear it. Then we'll go to EFX. Down. Down. Okay. And then start DFX. Deploy. Spreading our canister. We have an error. Okay. Down to here. Not here. This comes outside. This, yeah.
Be simplified.
Yeah, we have so candid care matching versions were common. So what's the latest version of our candidate type? It's 10, I think. Right? Let's go back. Fix that. Can't go talk on this. Candidate has to be 10. And first I think are good. Set. Let's try once again. Okay, we have problem here. Okay. Calculus needs to be the law plus passed to prevent this. If we do forwards, no. So let's do an ls and then let's remove guard block. Okay, try to defects deploy. Okay. So the block needs to be updated by either the company. Can we do the site to know that? Will target was 32. But the always without replace P to do the rest bracket. Looks like it's okay. Let's see how far we go.
You see the coordinate provided that thing. And one of the should be very stuff on you could see it.
Okay. So expected option reward. Okay. There is one change you should make. This is for remove case. Add it demo. Yeah. Here we have some I don't know what. Okay. This looks cute for me. Yeah. Let's close it and let's try DFX. We'll deploy now. Okay. Creating like an still on local network. Okay. Perfect. So let's test it. Start by creating hello one. Calling it. We got a response. It's a JSON, it's a good. Let's create to. So since this is an update IC query, this might take a while to give us all the data. But hopefully the query should be quicker. You see, the query was very, very quick. Yeah. So 2 query is good. So 3 query is good. If we are trying for 4, we should get a null or an empty. So that's perfect. Great. Challenge. Hello, Prakash. Okay. And then we'll remove 1. Okay, so 1 has been removed. And if we try to get 1, we should get it. We didn't get it. But if we were to try and remove, let's say 10, let's call it. Since we didn't have it, we didn't get anything. And essentially, if you convert, try to get a 2, it should be here. So 2 is here. That's perfect. Great. Cheers.